Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For today, I'm going to be sharing with you some tips on how to maximize the coverage of your makeup while using light coverage products, as well as how to increase the longevity of your makeup wear while still having a nice flawless base. If you find these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the tips. First things first, we're going to prime. Priming is the most important part of getting your makeup to last throughout the day. You want something that is going to help control the oils of your skin as well as grip the makeup as well. So for me, I have combination to oily skin and I like to go in with two products to prime. I like to use the Maybelline Master Blur Stick. This one is just going to help to blur out my pores that I have, and the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is my favorite primer of life. This is just going to help really get whatever you put on top of it, as in like concealer and foundation, to help just grip onto your skin to help make your makeup last just a tad bit longer for the day. So I'm going to go ahead and use these two products here. So with the Master Blur Stick, I like to apply that along my nose and under eye area because this is where I have the majority of my pores. And then I take the Hydro Grip Primer and apply that to the rest of my face. This primer, like the name entails, gets your foundation to grip onto your skin so there's no slip or movement with the products you're going to apply. For the base, these three products are my ultimate holy grail on creating the perfect and seamless base ever. And it's not just these products alone, it's really about the technique on how you apply them. So I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm going to first use the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear All Over Concealer. She's amazing. 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend. I want to get like two more colors, but ultimately I like to apply her around my nose for the redness. I didn't even say what I was going to use it for, but I like to use a concealer just for my initial base. So with this concealer, I like to spot conceal, cover up redness. I like to use it under my eyes as well, just to even out the skin tone. And I use the color 460. This is my perfect shade. I'm just gonna look in the mirror here. But yeah, around my nose for redness, stash area for a color correct, any blemishes that I may have, my smile lines. And I don't apply any to my forehead because then it would make my forehead a bit ashy, which I don't want. I'm gonna go under the eye with it for like a little color correct moment. And with the technique of using a concealer before your foundation, you really minimize the amount of foundation that you would use on top of this. A little bit of spot concealing first underneath, that way you get the most coverage. So what I like to do also is use the Instant Age Rewind concealer. You guys know this is my like ride or die product. Not only is like this super affordable, but the coverage on this, you can wear this in replacement of a foundation. Make it full glam, you can make it minimal wear, make no makeup days. It's amazing. I like to even do like a full face just using the Instant Age Rewind concealers. I have three shades that I would use. I would go in one with brightening, spot concealing, and contour as well. But for this look that I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be only using it to do a little highlight situation. I'm going to use the color Caramel just to go under my eyes here, the nose, forehead, chin. Haven't blended out anything as yet because I do want this to set a little bit. That way your products are going to last a lot longer. The next concealer that I like to use is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. This is in the color CW06 and it's a lot lighter than the other concealers. And this I only put in the corner of my under eyes just to give it a nice brightened and awake look. Essentially with my concealers, this is the technique of what I like to do. This just makes my once it's all blended, it's gonna look so flawless and amazing, trust me. The next thing that I like to do is contour. I'm gonna use the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Shaping Stick in the color Dark. Also another ride or die product that you absolutely need to try out. Back with the HD Photogenic Concealer in the color 06. I'm just gonna go underneath the contour. So when everything blends out, we do have that highlighted effect and it gives us that extra lift that we need. So what I like to do is apply a setting spray over like my base products before I blend it out. I either do it on a sponge or with my brush, but essentially with this step, it allows your products to last longer on the skin while also creating a little bit of movement while you blend so that it can create a nice seamless and radiant look to the base. So I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I got the mini during the sale. I've heard amazing things about this product, so I'm going to test it out, see how she lasts throughout the day. But with any setting spray, you can really allow your base products to last longer and give a nice smooth finish to the base. This smells good. And with a wet sponge, we are going to blend everything together except for under the eyes. The under eye area we're gonna let set in a little bit longer. And you want to make sure you're taking your time on blending each area out, making sure that everything looks seamless and blended together. The reason why I left the under eyes for last is that way we get the most wear out of the under eyes. I find that this area likes to break up the most on me, so I like to leave her a little bit longer, let her set into the skin, and then I will blend it out. Now for my favorite complexion products to do their thing. Blushes and bronzers are my favorite part of the whole makeup routine, but when it comes to cream blushes and cream bronzers, it's even better. To have those cream products live their best life and last throughout the day, you want to add a corresponding powder, blush, and bronzer on top of it, just so that when the powder starts to fade throughout the day, your cream products can really shine through later on as well. So that way it doubles up as a protectant layer over your cream products, but also allows them to pull through later on during the day. Last tip that I have is in regards to your lip products. I would suggest going in with a lip liner first, and not just to line your lips, but also filling in your lips as well. That way once you go in with a lip color of a lipstick or your lip gloss, once that color starts to fade, you still have the lip liner color to fall back on to give you some time before reapplying your lipsticks or lip gloss for the day. So guys, that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Hopefully the tips that I provided for you today were helpful. If they were, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.